Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the watch a trusted device. Put it on, enter its passcode so it's unlocked, and confirm wrist detection is active. On your iPhone, open Face ID and passcode and enable Unlock with Apple Watch for the specific watch listed. This connects the two devices securely. Make sure both devices are signed into the same Apple ID and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once done, you've completed the essential setup, and your devices can now communicate to unlock the iPhone automatically. Once enabled, the iPhone will try Face ID normally. If it can't verify you because of a mask or close obstruction, it will check whether your nearby Apple Watch is unlocked and on your wrist. If so, the watch receives a subtle tap and the iPhone displays a brief notification and a green check confirming the unlock. You don't enter a code, just glance at the phone. Make sure the watch stays unlocked and close to the phone, so the Bluetooth range and proximity. To finish, lock your iPhone and test unlocking while wearing the unlocked watch. You should feel a tap on the wrist and see a brief green unlock icon on the phone. If it fails, make sure the watch is unlocked, wrist detection and passcode remain enabled, and both devices are on the same Apple ID with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. If problems persist, restart both devices, then try again. Only unpair and repair the watch if simpler fixes don't restore the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.